what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah.
Morning, besties. So I am going to get my nails done. Like, I was so excited that for the first time I actually have a growth. And then I made an appointment for my nails on Tuesday, so I was good. Yesterday my nails were still fine. Guess what? This morning this one came out. So it looks like these nails, they have ears, and I wanted to do a refill because I don't want to start from scratch to do everything, and I don't know why this nail decided to come off. So the idea of me doing a refill is not going to work, but I'll see. She'll advise me if we can still do a refill, then maybe replace this one, or we'll just take out everything. And that is what I didn't want because I don't have the time. Even if I have the time, I just wanted to do a refill for once because my nails always come out completely before I go for my nail appointment. I wanted something different this time. Anyway, I'm just going to do plain nails. I'll show you guys once we are done. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. So this morning I started by making pancakes for the kids, and I wanted to do a little bit of workout, but I couldn't make it, so I'll do the workouts in the evening. I'll do the workout in the evening and do my 10,000 steps in the evening, or complete the steps. But like these days, usually what I do is I start with the strength training in the morning because I don't want to put it together because it becomes too tedious. So I do strength training in the morning and do cardio in the evening. But today I don't know what's gonna happen later, but I'll see. Even if I skip the workout today, it's gonna be fine. I'll do workout tomorrow. Okay guys, let's go get my nails. You must say feels. Sure you feel. You're doing feels. It's okay. Yeah. I'm just doing a quick vlog. No, you don't have to. I don't think you have to. She brought food. Okay. No, you don't have to. I thought you wanted to talk. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah.
What do you have to say? Best birthday ever, and feels good to have a photo shoot, right? Who's having the photo shoot? Yeah. You look nice already.
So I'm not sure it's the 9. Good. Yes.
Then walk slow out. Yeah, better.
Okay, but you need to move in more. Just a bit. Towards the center.
Inside, like, yeah.
Yeah, okay, now let's do it. Let's see. Come. Stay, turn. Very nice. Then you go out. So let's do it again.
Smile, smile, please.
1, 2, go.
Turn.
No. Go back. I'll tell you when to stop, okay? Okay. No, move back a bit.
Move backwards.
1, 2, go. Good. Now stop. Turn. Very nice. Go. Good.
How do you feel?
I'm fine.
Should I smile? I love it. This smile now, yes. So cute.
Very good, Shani. Very good. Nice, I'm coming going for a close up now. Face this way. Only, no.
No, don't move your body.
Turn your
Slide.
body to where you was.
Okay.
Only your face now like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Your hair.
Smile, normal smile. That smile looks so fake.
You want to give us a fake smile?
No, not fake smile, real smile.
80 fish.
Yeah.
Very nice. I like it a lot. Good. Let me see. Can you put one leg up like that? Ah, no. Give me one apple box. Give
His
me
bow
the big
legs.
one. Don't worry, sit. She'll give you something. So put your leg on.
It's so.
Very. Ooh. That's a treat in the making.
Yes, so that's okay.
He said.
All the way from Edo State. That's my boy.
Very good. Smile.
Yes, I love it.
Yeah, this is very nice. Dope. So now sit up, one hand on your thigh like that, and then the other one. No, sit properly, let me see. Good. Now don't smile. More? No, not too much.
Up a bit.
Good. Okay, don't smile now. Now smile. Good. Very nice. The full one now. Very good. Can I give me one apple box? This way. This way forward.
Not too forward. A bit backwards, Titan. It just went all forward.
Can you just move your head?
Pause.
Move backwards a bit. Good. Yeah. That's very nice.
Let me cheers with you guys. Cheers.
What for? Where's the last time?
I don't finish my biscuits.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Titan. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now, Titan? How old are you now?
Una 1. Una 2.
Nope.
Una 3.
Nope.
How are you like this
Una
guy?
4.
Nope.
Una 5.
Nope. Nope.
Una 9.
Nope.
Una 10.
Nope. Yeah! Blow your candle. We are here for Titan's 10th birthday. Like, let's turn up. This is what I'm wearing. Outfit check. Hi, where did you go? Oh, don't you? What are you guys doing? Cheers! And I are looking so cute! Yeah! More tokens! Is it complete?
Let's go to the photo booth.
Anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to do I'm way. Plenty so far with face. Just to make your money day. For my people, then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the love. You know tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the gas. Schemes and packaging in a one night shows and juggling, flowing the ocean, boat and paddling. Cherishing up and that's my bro, my family, goes and drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shame, I'll be head of state. But now people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one buy. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still okay, there you go. I supposed to say something. I'm not the birthday boy. Okay, next. Come. Time is your turn.
You're not the birthday boy.
Yeah, come. Next. the birthday boy is who? Good.
I'm not the birthday boy.
Okay, it's fine. Next.
I'm not the birthday boy. The birthday boy is Titan.
Yes, good boy. Next.
I'm not the birthday boy. The birthday boy is friend.
Okay.
I'm not the birthday boy. No. I'm the birthday boy. WOG friend.
Yes.
I'm not the birthday boy. I'm the birthday boy sister.
Sister. Woo.
I'm not the birthday boy. I'm the birthday girl. I'm the birthday boy's friend. Basically, it's a friend that's a I'm not the birthday boy. I'm the birthday boy's best friend.
Yay. Tattoo.
I am not the birthday boy. I'm the birthday boy's friend.
Woo.
I'm not the birthday boy. I'm the birthday boy's cousin from when me and him were born.
Yeah, good.
I'm the birthday boy.
Woo.